weather on NBC 10 Boston, Boston's most accurate forecast.
Well, if you know Central Florida, then you know I-4, and this is people on I-4 leaving Tampa, going toward Orlando, moving inland, trying to get away from Hurricane Milton. And Priscilla, I know you were listening to the mayor of Tampa today, and she was using stern language about the safety concerns here.
Yeah, I mean, she basically was saying if you lived in evacuation centers or if you're staying in evacuation centers in the path of this storm where it's going to hit, you are going to die. I mean, very stern warning, but it's good to see here that people are taking that warning and leaving town, headed for Orlando?
Orlando is is the next major city heading inland, but those people would probably get on I-4 to go to other parts of the United States north as well, because this storm is so large, Dominus. You really have to make a really significant move to get out of its path.
Absolutely. Far-reaching effects with this storm as it gets even closer to Florida as we head through mainly Wednesday, but they've already seen effects with those outer rain bands and a stationary front nearby over South Florida. Sustained winds at 165 miles an hour. Is moving to the east at 9 miles an hour. A very warm ocean here with the Gulf of Mexico. We put a track on the storm and you'll see the cone. Category 5 as we go through tomorrow. It approaches the west coast of Florida as a 4, then likely making landfall as a 3 as we head into Wednesday evening, Wednesday night. It's going to be a strong Category 3 storm that will push all that water onto land. That storm surge, it moves over land here. It will weaken, but it will likely be just a Category 1 hurricane, still with a lot of problems there for even areas there closer to, we'll say, the Space Coast there toward Cape Canaveral. It moves to the east and it will likely downgrade into an area of low pressure by the time we head into the weekend. This is a look at the forecast model with this storm as it rapidly continues to really wind its way toward Florida. This is Wednesday evening, so it's kind of speeding up the timeline here, and really it's saying that, well, all eyes will likely be toward Tampa. In fact, when you look at the forecast spaghetti plots, these are forecast models. Most of them are really honed in right on Tampa as opposed to Fort Myers as it had it yesterday. We still have some time to really see where this storm will actually make landfall. But storm surge will be a problem, 10 to 15 foot with the storm surge. That's going to be pretty bad and very bad, to be honest with you. And then you talk about the rainfall accumulation. There are going to be some areas that could see about 8 inches of rain or even more from this, so this is going to definitely be a problem. Otherwise, here at home, here in eastern Mass and southern New Hampshire, we've had the rain move through the day. It was a cloudy day, gloomy conditions across the area. Some areas even saw about a quarter to a half an inch of rain as advertised. Well, most of that wet weather is gone, but you'll notice we have some clouds still around and some areas of fog I have been tracking, but I don't expect too many problems overnight. Temperatures in the middle 50s. You'll see those numbers generally into the 50s, but some upper 40s creeping in toward Nashua. Here's the forecast for tomorrow. Upper 40s, low 50s out the door, middle 60s, and we're going to see some sunshine. Mixed in with a couple clouds at times, but sunshine nonetheless. So we go through the nighttime hours. We'll likely have mostly sunny skies waking up tomorrow morning, eventually partly cloudy skies. A little sprinkle not out of the question, but I think a lot of us will be dry. And we'll do it again going into Wednesday, although we'll see likely a few more clouds around. I'll call it partly sunny. And most of the day should be dry. The best chance for rain over the next 10 days, you'll notice into Monday. We'll track that forecast, but for most of the daylight hours, we're tracking some sunshine and some sweater weather as well, with temperatures by Thursday afternoon in the upper 50s. That's the first alert forecast.